In this video, I have a 2003 Chevy S10. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to replace the rotors on the back and the brake pad. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this, the rear one and the front one. That's gonna be the only two that I'm gonna show on the video. The other two already got it done, but it's the same thing, so I mean, it don't make any sense why I want to record all the four wheels. So we'll just concentrate on the rear and the front one. Now if you can see, is I think it's all the way to the metal. So we're gonna change it. Let's go. This is what I'm using now. Really come in handy. Not that I'm lazy, it just is a little more convenient. Really nice, not expensive. I got it on speed number 1, so I'll change it to 3. So make sure I got enough power. So there you have it. Man, that's really bad right here. It's just almost gone. You can see on the pad, the one inside is the one is close to the metal. I'd rather replace this one. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to replace the other caliper on the other side because it's stuck. The piston is stuck, so I got a new one already. But first of all, we're gonna do this. Remove this. Put the new disc or rotor, whatever you want to call it. Get the new pads and go from there. Okay, first thing is first, we're going to remove those 2 bolts holding the caliper, and the last thing is going to be the bracket. So only have 2 bolts over here. And since I already replaced the one, they're not really bad. Fortunately, this one has to use a wrench. Or maybe not. So I'm going to remove the caliper. Like I say, this one is still in good condition. And brake pad. This side is still good. The other side was the really bad one that don't have any. Yeah, the driver's side don't have any left. This one still have. So the problem was the other side. So now over here, I just have 2 more bolts holding the bracket. Should be this one and this one. Those 2. And probably it's not that one. See what we got. Get out of the way. One more. There he is. And there we have the bracket off. Just gonna lay it right here and sure not to lose the bolt. We'll need it. And okay, I got the disc ready to come off. It's really simple. There he is. And there's something. Okay. Just find out over here that I have a seals going bad over here. So now I have to get the seal coming from the differential shaft. So the only really bad thing by doing this is to pull this off is I have to open the differential, get it locked from there, and the thing will pop this way. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish doing the brakes and the new disc, but before I do that, I'm gonna remove this. Already got the new one over here. I haven't been having parking brake for probably 3 years, so I think it's time to put it back and see how it goes. You just need to pull it up, and that's how easy this piece comes off. The same thing, you just slide this back, hang it on the thing, make sure you guide through that to the pin over here in the bottom is the one that opens and closes. And I got a new bracket coming with the parking brake, so I'm gonna replace this piece and use the same bolt because the ones come with that's not long enough to go through. Put all this back together, and hopefully probably in 2 days I'm gonna have the 2 seals. So since I'm gonna open the differential, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and go into the other side, change the return seal over here and the other side too. I already got the 1 seal on the drag shaft, so I don't need to do anything in there. That's what I'm gonna do right now in this video. I'm just gonna finish the brake, and like I say, it'll be another video for the seals. This is our new bracket, and go ahead and use this because the other one is too small. Okay, there he is. I got the parking brake back in place. Now the only thing I need to do is move this, tight this a little bit so I don't have a good parking. Install, and next thing to do is to put the rotors on. There we go. That's gonna be the new rotors for this truck. The problem on this caliper, this one, I had to use the impact gun to Move this one was completely frozen inside. If you can see, it's all the way inside. Lucky I just changed the caliper from the other side, and I have an extra one. So I'm going to use this one and that one. Re-grease it and make sure it's doing this. Go. You're pushing. Last time I changed this one, but I didn't check the bracket, so. And this time I just make sure I'm gonna put a lot of grease on it. I got a different one. Got the really nasty one over here. Already got grease on it. We'll go ahead and grease this bars where the pad's gonna rest, and we'll go ahead and put it on now. All right, got it all greased in there. Where they go back in there. Okay, so there we have it. Let's be everything put back together, and for right now, just everything is done. The brakes is done. I'm just gonna leave it like that because unfortunately I'm gonna have to pull off everything so I can get to the seal, and I'll show you the other one real quick. The other side, just ready. I'm gonna have to. This one's not leaking over here, but I'm gonna have to replace the seal. I got a new caliper on it, and it's all complete. So I was set for the wheel.